Hello everybody, please welcome to the Winglas Sari Purba Asian series from Ocean Science. Here, I would like to explain the basic concepts of digital literacy and the challenges that they often face. Before that, let's see what is literacy. Literacy is a process of exposure or transfer information to give understanding to people who actually need it and want to understand it. Literacy can be divided into some of the compulsory things of data, technology, statistics, criticism, health, visual, and digital. At this video, we will put a greater pressure on understanding digital literacy. So, what is digital literacy? Many scholars explain what is digital literacy. Among other things, and according to Paul Gilster, a writer in his 1997 published book, is called a digital literacy. In his book, he suggests that digital literacy is a person's ability to harness information in various forms. Kata Data Insight Center atau KIC, Ministry of Communication and Informatics or Kominfo survey Indonesian digital literacy in 2021. As a result, the Indonesian Digital Literacy Index is level 349 in 2021. The figure places the Indonesian Digital Literacy Index a medium scale index at 0 to 5. Digital literacy is the ability to use tools of technology to find information, evaluate information, and utilize in today's life-sustaining times. So, what is the basic concept of digital literacy? We need to know that konsep dasar merupakan suatu gambaran awal atau ide yang dijadikan pedoman dalam membangun suatu kemampuan. So, in studying digital literacy, we need to know what basis to learn that the information we have is correct and not just a hoax. Menurut data dalam literasi digital fair tahun 2021, terdapat 4 pilar dalam pendalaman literasi digital Indonesia yang meliputi etika digital, budaya digital, keterampilan digital, dan keamanan digital. Kaum milenial dan seterusnya harus mampu dalam menggunakan literasi digital yang ada. Literasi digital digunakan untuk memberikan penjelasan, ulasan bagaimana pengetahuan dalam memanfaatkan media digital, alat-alat komunikasi, atau menemukan serta mengevaluasi secara detail terperinci sebuah informasi yang disampaikan di media massa. Skill in mainstream digital literacy is not only on the use of technology, but also emphasis on other skills such as text, media, the internet, visual, audio. NG 20 and 12 meaning digital literacy skills are divided into 3 dimensions. 1. Technical. Inside of it is basic operational mastery of the types of digital technologies such as web, audio, visual. 2. Cognitive. It are information literacy skills, critical thinking, visual photo, audio, gestural, and linguistic that are implicit in evaluating, creating digital information, and understanding of ethics, morality, and law. It contains digital information. 3. Social emotional dimension. Emphasis on internet use responsibilities for studying, socializing, privacy protection, and problem solving. Setelah kita mengetahui konsep dasar literasi digital, lalu apa kendala yang terjadi pada literasi digital sekarang? Well, many of the benefits derived from the internet are in digital literacy. There must have been obstacles or negative side. 1. Content with lines, hate speech between neighbors, radicalism, or even fraudulent practice. The presence of content or new can mimic the digital ecosystem that is only reproducible from the individual himself. Internet network that is difficult to access in remote parts of the country. Even if digital literacy access is readily available on the streets, but there are problems again. such as in the remote areas that don't understand it or even can ask it. The existence of an unstable internet network or no access to it makes it difficult from the trouble of getting update information. And 3. Digital natives adalah cara belajar yang cepat, memproses informasi secara tepat, yang pada akhirnya tidak dapat berkonsentrasi dengan baik karena mencari informasi yang serba cepat dalam waktu singkat dan secara acak. Jadi, setiap orang harus memiliki tanggung jawab atas penggunaan teknologi untuk berinteraksi atau berkomunikasi dalam kehidupan sehari-hari. Menangani banyak informasi, kemampuan untuk menginterpretasikan pesan, dan berkomunikasi secara efektif dengan orang lain adalah bagian kemampuan dalam literasi digital. Literasi digital memiliki skala yang jauh lebih luas dan biasanya membahas isu-isu penting. Pendidikan literasi digital bisa dimulai dari mengasah keterampilan dalam membaca konten. Dengan rajin membaca konten, maka pemanfaatan literasi digital untuk pemahaman konten akan lebih kritis. Media validity is a science that showing level a reliability instrument. An instrument is said to be valid while revealing data from variables closely studied. Adi Kunto, 20 and 30. Alright, that's all for now. That's all